We'll guide you through how to add a page between other pages in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and making sure it is fully ready to use. Connect to a stable internet connection so everything works smoothly. Next, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type docs.google.com and press Enter to visit Google Docs. Once the page loads, open your existing document and wait for it to load completely before continuing. After your document is ready, scroll to the area between pages where you want to add a new page. Carefully find the exact position where the new page should appear. Then, click at the end of the page right before the location where you want to insert the new page. Make sure your cursor is placed precisely at that position, because this determines where the page break will be added. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options. Scroll down through the list until you find the Break option, then click on it. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will immediately insert a new page into your document. The new blank page will appear exactly between your existing content. Any text that was originally after your cursor will automatically move to the next page. This helps maintain the structure of your document without deleting or overlapping any content. Once the new page appears, click on it and begin typing or adding any content you need. If you prefer a faster method, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and Enter at the same time, and Google Docs will instantly create a page break at your cursor position. This shortcut can save time when you are working quickly. After inserting the new page, scroll through your document to review the changes. Make sure the new page is placed correctly and that your content flows properly from one page to the next. Continue editing your document as usual. Google Docs will automatically save your changes, so you do not need to save manually. Your document structure is now updated and more organized. Done. A new page has been successfully added between pages in Google Docs.